And it feels a lot more like deeper into June and July almost, with 92 yesterday and a dew point of 70. And that made it pretty steamy. Tried to do a little bit of yard work yesterday and then thought, no, maybe not. Because it was pretty rough. There's your Manhattan shot, getting just a little bit brighter, just a tad brighter, and there's been some light rain out here. There's also been thunderstorms in the area. Much of that was 10 o'clock last night to about 1 o'clock in the morning, and that went right through our west and northwest counties. Currently, the wind out there is light. Manhattan, a southwest wind of 7. Burlington, though, a south wind at 13, and the dew points are much higher. We'll glance at that in a moment. First of all, 62 Clay Center, Marysville 64, even 50 sneaking into Republic and Cloud counties, then a 72 in Topeka, 70 in Burlington. So pretty much the central and eastern areas continue to be warm and very muggy. And there's a look at radar with false returns, Topeka and Holton, but we do have the rain happening out here close to Marysville and cutting down toward Washington, Clay Center, and very close to Abilene and the Fort Riley areas. So this west and northwest area picking up a couple of showers, and then we have more southwest of Wichita. Those may increase just a little bit here shortly. But the vast majority of rain is either in Iowa or Nebraska right now, so we'll be looking south for anything to take off. And we should have scattered thunderstorms today, and it looks like some of those may be strong to severe, with hailstones to 1 inch in diameter and maybe wind exceeding 60. And then we get into a fairly quiet night after some thunderstorms die out. Tomorrow, I think mainly cloudy early, maybe decreasing clouds late. And then once we hit Wednesday, there will be another chance for thunderstorms building as the day goes on. So in the outlook, we're looking at wind south 8 to 16 early, southwest 10 to 20 for midday, high of 88, the chance of late day and early evening thunderstorms with the wind at 10 to 20, but in and near thunderstorms, that wind could become pretty gusty. 65 nighttime as scattered storms dissipate, the wind southwest at 10 to 15. And then in the outlook, not quite as warm tomorrow. Cloud cover, it looks like maybe the isolated shower thunderstorm. Scattered storms start to show up again through Wednesday and Thursday with lows in the 60s, daytime highs mid-80s. That is still a lot warmer than it should be this time of the year. The average high is 75, and hopefully this kind of equals itself out. If we're going to be above normal, maybe we start sliding closer to or a little bit below normal for the second part of May. And then once we hit the upcoming weekend, we're looking at maybe a drop-off on Sunday, but that's the way it looked this same time last week, and it didn't happen. We kept bumping those numbers up, so we'll see what happens to our Sunday highs as we get a bit closer.